Welcome everyone. Welcome to Hidden Tech School. Today we'll walk you through this course of Master Software Design and Development, and you could launch your career in software industry or just have an extra skill in your portfolio. Whatever is your goal, this course will be suitable for you. Welcome to your career journey or whatever it is. I'm hoping, we are hoping that will help you provide the skill set you need to practice software engineering in your project or maybe learn a new skill. My name is Sid, and I'll serve as your guide throughout this course. Should you wish to provide feedback or simply say hello, feel free to engage with us via social media or email. Well, without any delay, let's jump into what we are going to learn. So, we have six learning objectives in this course, and the first objective is how to write programs using variable, control flow, and function. And we'll be using Python, C++, and JavaScript, and no prerequisites are necessary. All materials will be taught starting from basics, so it's pretty straightforward. Another objectives is how to utilize defensive coding exception handling techniques to manage invalid data and unexpected events. It's a bit mouthful, but basically what it means is, how to build a powerful, robust programs that doesn't crash. Simple as that. So we'll dive deeper into that later in this course. And another objectives is how to use using version handling tool. Using version handling tools to manage code base individually and collaboratively. So it basically means how to use GitHub, how to manage branches, how to collaborate with your teammates, and those sort of stuff. So we'll dig deeper into it as well. And another objective here we have is how test driven development works and write unit tests. So, what is test driven development, how it works, and how you can ensure that your software are tested in all phases of development so that when it goes live, it is bugless and it works fine. So we'll sort of jump into that as well. And another objective is assign different categories of module coupling and cohesion to given a program. So it basically means how to organize your programs, functions, or classes basically. So there are many functions that interacts with each other's modules which communicate with each other, and will sort of learn the science behind it and how you can improve the program design, reasoning, those sort of stuff. So we'll cover that here. Moving next, how user testing can be carried out and evaluated. So we'll sort of explore automatic testing and unit testing along with the user testing techniques to determine how to establish test cases. I will also, dig deeper into the systems and software, and like how systems and software, take advantage of user testing to build programs that are useful. you know so these are the six objectives. If you don't understand anything or if something is going over your head, don't worry, these are just objectives, and we'll sort of walk you through each of those. So extracted from those objectives, this course is divided into five topics, and those are module complexity, coupling and cohesion, unit tests and test driven development, defensive coding, debugging and exception handling, non-automated testing and evaluated technique, version control and project management. So uh, each topic sort of takes you layer by layer of how software design and development works, which you can utilize in your career or any project that you have. So, and of course, this course has a lot of activities which would be very handful for someone who is going to learn software design and development. So of course we'll be using Python, C++, and JavaScript throughout this course, and we'll sort of provide you where to find resources to learn more if you want to dig deeper for your personal cases. We'll do hands-on programming activities, and we'll also walk you through command line, how to utilize command line for Git and GitHub collaborating and those stuff. So this is that. Yes, that's pretty much it. So those are the learning objectives, six learning objectives, five topics. We sort of believe that this will help you to launch your career in software engineering, or just have, or maybe just have an extra skill which you can utilize in your personal project, or maybe a startup or anything. So this is it. Thank you so much for staying by if you came till the end. And I cannot wait to see you in next video. Bye.